How we doing? Quit playing with me, jaw roll. How we doing? Previously on Kimba TV. I might be in a new long. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Look at yesterday's Bugatti. This level or this level. This is the most bullish level where it could bounce from, and this is the second bullish level where it could bounce from. But if you lose this, then it's poo-poo time. Well, there's only two trades. Sweep. Short. That's it. Whichever one comes first. Did a bunch of shorts come in? Ah, they did. Now we have liquidate all of these. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's... Yeah, so that's obviously like a clear bad high. These are all bad highs. So like breaching that is gonna just go whoop. So that's something to be on the lookout for. Aside from that, I would love a sweep and then take it all the way back up. I keep taking these and it's so fucking... All right. Okay, I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So sweep or the oregano. Oregano, Mary Poppins. But yeah, that's a bad high. So I think this would be the higher probable. But we're ready for the sweep too. Yeah? And the single print. So, I mean, look, the higher probability is that you go and grab those poor highs. I don't know. But honestly, like that golden pocket trade is not Gucci as much as the swing low long, right? And here's the really crazy thing. And like, just follow along with me. If you were watching Monday and Tuesday, right? Especially Monday, what happened on Monday? I entered long just like this, golden pocket, disregarding the single print to the bottom. Eventually, it made its way down to the single print, right? It pixel fucked that single print. And that's where I should have taken the long, right? And then, ironically enough, I had a shitty entry around the 500s, but there was a single print at the 614 that saved me and allowed me to close my bad long in profit. So it's really hard to disregard the single print, right? But that being said, you guys see the gammas? Can you see it on the YouTube? I know some people were like, can you make it bigger? I gotta install the Brave on this machine. Yeah. So you can see 4275, right? Yeah, and the Gex flip is right up there too. It's gonna be interesting. Lots of room to go to the upside on traditional markets, so. M Shell says, what about short from 27.6? No. So here, let's you want to talk about it? I'm not talking shit, okay? But that if you took a short from there, that is a losing trade if you do that over and over and over. That is a poor high. So the chances of you going at least to here is really high. So if you took a short there, you should be taking profits because that's a lucky trade. The higher probability is that if you break that, you're gonna go real quick. So the only short that you would want to take on something like this is if it sweeps and then you let the structure form and you take it at that sweep level. But you got lucky that it stopped there. But that's a poor high, okay? So the probability of it, once it breaches that it goes like that, is very high. If you knew that and you still took the short, I guess that's okay. But more likely than not, you know, this usually goes. I'm gonna close all this shit, by the way. I'm gonna do it right now for y'all. Hey, look on the order book right now. You guys see my orders in the order book? Somebody DM'd me and goes, I can see your orders on the MEXC order book. I was about to be like, bitch, you can see them. Look at the 100 Bitcoin. Look for it before I cancel. But some of y'all are fucking stupid. They're like trying to copy me through the order book. I'm telling you, it might not be me. But yeah, they're not helping Sato. They're helping me. What are you talking about? Sato is just straight up just copy trading the VIP stream. Raggy Reddy is asking, so if you take short from 28,000, you still looked along around 29.9? My boy, what? 26.9. Ooh, okay. That's a great question, Raggy. Now, I'm gonna talk like higher time frame, and you've been here long enough to know that eventually my shit usually plays out, but you gotta finesse the shit with like traditional markets and whatnot, right? I actually, it's really not. So here's what's really interesting. There's still a lot of retail shorts that are open from like 28.5, 28.4, 28.3. Okay. There's also some market makers in that thing. So like those longs, right? Let's put together a plan. We can still be wrong. Yeah. So all I can tell you is probabilities and what I've seen. Okay. This is a poor high. Okay. Even when we were here, we were talking about it. Okay. Nice move up. Okay. But, this is a poor high. The probability today that, like, especially since it did this bullshit, okay, the probability that it's gonna sweep this bitch is high, okay? I understand that there's VWAP and stuff like that, and so yeah, it could be a swing fail pattern, but the probability, I think, is that it green dildos at least a 27.8. 27.8 is right there. So I think you see something like that. That could be a swing fail. I don't fucking know, okay? But this is gonna get breached, okay? And I think it's like a great, quick green dildo type of thing to at least 27.8. I want to short here, but we might have to do something like this. I don't know, but I you know, like if I really could, man, I would love a sweep of that. Now, Reggie Reddy, you were asking me where I would TP or go long. If 28,000 gets rejected, okay, and the bulls can't take it all the way up to 29.4 to do like a proper thangity thang, this could be the shoulder, and so I might actually ride it all the way down to like mid 25s. You see, that's why I'm like really hesitant to talk about all this shit. But yeah, or something like that, Suabe. But like, remember when I was like, yo, we could get higher highs, we could get 29.4? Man, this kind of looks like ass. It's not at all what I was looking for. So, all I'm saying is I think, in my dumbass opinion, based off of what I've seen in the past, okay, and looking at the open interest and the CVD, I'm not sure. I think the probability of making higher highs, like breaking 28.6 or that 29.4, is lower now than we were on Monday or even yesterday. So let's just take it level by level, okay? Right now, all I can say is let's watch the 27.665 sweep, okay? Some of you are gonna try to be aggressive with taking a sweep short. Some of you guys might wanna wait for higher like me. It's all up to you, who knows? Golden Poquito says the POC is better to take if want to be greedy, for sure, for sure. But here's the thing, like we all know what the 5th grade TA says when a price reinforces value area low as support, you've got a really good chance for a full rotation, right? The only thing, like, because the edge is on the bullish side to do a full rotation, right? The pressure is on the bears to reject at the point of control. And if you don't hold point of control and you don't hold value area high, then that's the thing that we were talking about that might catapult us to the 29.4 level that we were initially talking about. So I think as long as we can all kind of like understand what you're risking, what you're not, having stop loss, let's take some shots. And if you're in a long and you think I'm fucking retarded for even attempting a short here, that's also fair too. I'm gonna keep my shit tight. We're not gonna be like just getting wrecked here. So. But we know what the math is. Do we know what the math is, ladies and gentlemen? We know what the math is, right? Okay. I'm going to watch it over here for a second because I want to watch S&P. Bugatti. Okay, Bugatti. Okay. I see you market makers. I see you mathing. Okay, shout out to all the market makers for stopping out my 250 Bitcoin position 4 times. Yeah, fuck. God damn it. All right, we good? Hey, I'm gonna go let us up because the math don't care, okay? It doesn't matter if I'm lettucing up, it doesn't matter if I'm on the toilet, the math is the math, y'all. So I'll take my iPad outside or something, I'll be watching this, but look, y'all ready? Y'all ready for the 0.5 fib? You guys ready for golden poquito? You guys watching open interest? Are we watching S&P 4275? Are we doing all this while driving our Bugatti? Yes. Easy money, Bugatti money, right? As they say. Quit playing with me. All right, y'all are good. We're good. We can make 5 figures and still let us at the same time. I'll be right back. Bugatti. Bugatti! The math is the goddamn math. Hey, y'all, I already have my TP. I already have my triple layer Charmin. I'm gonna go on the balcony. Come on. Bugatti! Math. Quit playing with me. God damn. Yeah. I TP'd a little bit. Y'all see it? But yeah, man. It's just math. Hopefully it kind of inspires you guys. I'm not really doing nothing special, man. If my dumb ass can figure this shit out, y'all will be able to as well. All right, but everybody caught up on the plan, right? So, I mean, y'all know where all my TPs go to. Y'all know what I want to short. Yeah, let's get it. And S&P 4275 question mark. That's really the big thing, right? Do you guys understand? Like, it's really all up to S&P. Yeah, but of course, after 4 attempts of 250 Bitcoin long, right? Y'all just wait until I get stopped out 3 or 4 times and then take the trade that I was in. Just market smash as soon as I get stopped out, okay? Pretty cool though, right? You guys understand now how the poor highs and how all that stuff kind of works? Yo-Yo says, close my full thang. Hey, Yo-Yo, congratulations, my guy. Good shit. There's no right or wrong. I love that. It feels good, right, Yo-Yo? Good shit. On to the next one. And then we'll celebrate over the weekend. But right now, while the markets are open, I still need you to, or unless you're done for the day. Are you done for the day? Or you're on the prowl again? Bearlike says, if this rotates fully now, So here's the thing, y'all. Like we were anticipating, I think I'm going to get filled, quote unquote, on the short during Macaulay Culkin hour. And that's fucked up. But yeah, you got to be patient. You got to be patient. You got to be patient. Is it a poor high, or is there enough open interest trapped? I mean, take a look at all that stuff. Try your best to interpret it. Okay, you think S&P is done? So I don't think it's hit a fib level or anything really yet. No sweep, no nothing. What if it just comes back to do a bullish retest of that sweep level? That'd be kind of goofy. So just kind of, you know, give it some time. You still got, this is what I would say is I think you have to wait all the way through Macaulay. Because how funny would it be to set the local high right now and then sweep that bitch during Macaulay? I'm okay with that. Let it pull back, you know, and get more shorts in, right? Bang. So I think you just got to be patient, my guy. I would probably say that you could do like a local swing high, swing low fib from here to here and be like, okay, look, if it loses that golden pocket, then it's bad. But I don't know. I think it's all up to S&P, man. If S&P wants to go to 42.75, I think it's going to drag Bitcoin with it. So if the bear div on the 5 minute on S&P, some goofy ass shit holds, then fuck my life, you know? Alrighty. So, yeah, you know me, like unless it breaks and turns the local swing high, swing low golden pocket, so I'm giving it a tolerance all the way down here, right? So it would have to like ding, then I'd be like, okay, yeah. But hey, but you know what though? I dropped off a couple passengers, okay, albeit I did kick them out of the plane in my Cessna, but I did TP 10 Bitcoin, so it's not a round trip, y'all, Bugatti. All right, some passengers did make it to their destination. Kimba Airlines, let's go. So just all stuff to think about, Fernandez, but it's I don't know if it's the end of the world, brother. It'd be the end of the world, I think, if S&P turned 4250 into bearish resistance. If you want to take this, you would probably put a stop loss at like 28. But see, all of these, just like how we talked about with this one, these are all valid levels. That's why we were joking around and be like, dude, should we just make it like, should we just do this? Yeah, because there's, you know, you got value area high, you got point of control, you got value area low right here, you know, so it's like, should we just do this? There's really no right or wrong. We're all seeing the same shit, right? I kind of showed you what I'm doing, but fuck what I'm doing, you know what I mean? 408 BTC at 278.80. Okay, that's not much, okay? Because I have 200 sitting somewhere. I have 250 sitting somewhere, max. And there's 10 to 12 Kimba whales that are probably doing 500 Bitcoin positions average on between all of them. Some might be doing more than 500, some might be doing a little less, so yeah, that 400 that's showing ain't really that big of a deal. Just remember that a lot of whales, you know, they'll have market maker contracts, and so they get 0% maker and taker. Like, they're never going to put limits in. They're going to just market smash because it's free to them. Yeah, if S&P actually follows gammas again tomorrow, I'll probably play a small little thang on S&P on Friday. But what I would say, LPZ, is if it goes and grabs the 28 before the daily candle close and we start to get bearish with it, we have a really good chance for a full rotation down, probably, not to be a buzzkill. LPZ says if we go from 28.1 zone to 26.9, 27 zone, are you still going to long Kimby? Probably not, but it will be my first TP. That single print will be my first TP. So I might even hedge. I don't know. All I know is I will significantly like 30% maybe, LPZ. Because depending on how the reaction is, depending on if they do it in the next 16 minutes, brother, I might play the full rotation back to like 25s, my guy. But we're getting ahead of ourselves, and I don't really want to fuck people, you know, like I know a lot of you guys are, you know, still bullish. So let's just, if that short actually plays out and we get $1,000 move all the way to the 26.9, 27, Nixo, Mandelo says value area low reaction. I know. I'm really hoping we get a sweep of the sweep. But yeah, that's total. Now we hit it, so that's a valid short. Here's the thing, Mandelo. I'm just hoping we have one more because 4270, 4275 on S&P hasn't been tapped yet. But are you already in a little thang? If you're already in a short, you're just front running S&P, but that's okay. It did hit the value area low though, right? 870 or something. It finally hit it. Tofu says 0.5 reaction. Yes. Yeah, it's I was doing a little thangity thing, but why did we delete the fib? Pretty cool, right? It's everything we talked about first thing in the morning, y'all. Everything that we talked about first thing in the morning. Bugatti money. Wow. Like that? Like that? Oh, that's real Bugatti. That's Bugatti money for shizzle. Just kind of smells a little like oregano. I gotta light it up and breathe it in and, inhale and hold it in and to really see if it's real lettuce. Hopefully it's not an oregano though, right? But for those of you that have been here since the start of the day, not bad. Hopefully we get one more sweep, but I mean, it's starting to get valid, right? You remember when we talked about the 27.8 to 28 zone? That was the first attempt for the short. I got picks. I just said a little bit more left on the TP and a little bit further, I would have started entering short. But nothing's really changed, Doms. I think it's golden pocketing, like on the smaller time frame, but we also have just like this, okay? So dink, right? Pixel 618, right? Right? So that's my entry. And there's also confluence with point of control, value area high low, lots of interesting things over there, VWAP. So my stop loss is behind that. But this is a poor high, so we might be able to go grab it, sweep it in the morning, not really sure. Alrighty, and like we said, we have that sweep on the bottom side, the single print, and we have Fibonacci and value area high, value area low confluence to the upside. So I think we're all set. Saddest part of the day. Let me get the thing. All right, y'all. Well, shout outs to everybody that's already in shorts. Good shit today. I feel like I should have followed my own advice, but only one would have gotten filled, so. Well, international lions, especially the Europeans, the jungle is in your hands. Take good care of it. All right. Market maker, you already know what it is. I'm going to sleep. Do your thing. Good shit today, y'all. I'm excited to see the continuation of the week. Pay attention to the gammas, and I will see you guys maybe like 30-40 minutes after US Open. I'll try to get on as quickly as I can, but you guys know that Thursdays and Fridays are the days I have the most amount of phone calls and meetings. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, Sato, take it away.